Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you my latest project. And this is my another sewing machine, but this is in the Gypsy style. And inspired by my Gypsy kit that it's a special sales kit that I sell in my Facebook kit group. And also inspired by this lady from Instagram. She is from Japan, and I just love the sewing machine that she made, that in the vintage style, in the bright color, so that I just love it. And so that I make one in the bright color like this in for myself. Okay. And most of the item is used items from my Gypsy kit. And also I use the fabric, that this one like this, you can see this, I think it's a cotton fabric that was sent me, I believe it's last year for my birthday, or I really forget when she sent this to me. Hi Wa. I love this fabric so much, but I will try to see more from my local store. I believe this I can find it from the cotton, store. Also I did use this kind of the velvet fabric that I purchased from my store, local store. Use this to make the Gypsy kit. And also all this was sent to me, and I also use this fabric in this kit, this sewing machine. You can see it's very bright color. And actually I didn't sew this, I just glue all and cut the small pieces and to glue on the pin cushion, this pin cushion, that the kit that I think is my August, no, I think it's July kit, because this is the shape is imperfect, imperfect. You can see the shape is a bit out of shape, so I just keep it for myself. And just is perfect for me to use this fabric cover to make this Gypsy style machine, sewing machine. So I just love it how it's turned out. You can see. Okay. And I just cut this small pieces to glue around this pin cushion. And this pin cushion, for the tutorial, Janet Scrapping Happy EXO, she has a tutorial to show you how to sew this sewing machine. If you're interested, you check her out. And this one also from the kit, the Gypsy kit. I use this to hang here. And this one I also include this in the kit. And this is the mirror and the back. So I layer with this tie-dye doily. And this one also from my stash. And underneath I layer with this fabric from the Gypsy kit. So this one I add this filigree here, and you can see I add the tiny spool here. And you saw this trim to this one also from the Gypsy kit, and this as well. And this I just cut apart the dangle and use this here, and add the metal pieces here. And the spool, I can see I cover with the Chinese braid trim, and just put the pin here like so. And this is for my stash, and these pieces are also from the kit. These pieces are from War fabric, and you can see go around. This also from the kit. All this, yeah, like so. Here, and I really have so much fun to create this box, and I add these pieces applique here, another sequin beaded applique from the kit. And this I didn't add any the needle, I just hung this dangle here like so. And yeah, this is the box. Okay, wooden box. Yeah, I really loved how this turned out. See, and I also use this dolly to make the scissors holder, fabric holder. Yeah, it's very easy to, yeah, just kind of at the round circle, just like so, fold it. Get how I, very simple. I forget how I fold it. I believe it's like so. No. Let me see. I really forget how I yeah, just use this one and this part here. Let me figure out. Okay, something like so. Okay, yeah, to make this scissors holder with 2 pockets here, you can see, and layering with all these trim from the Gypsy kit, and like so. And here in another pocket here. Okay, you can put the small scissors here, and I make this dangle charm with the this. About this, this is the this set is a steampunk. I bought it from, I've already forget where I bought this, because I keep this in my safe quite for a while, so it's just perfect for this project. So yeah, I make this one with these pieces. Okay, and this one also from the kit. You can see with the sewing machine, and I don't know how to call this thing, and scissors, and the needle, yeah, and the butterfly, and yeah, just okay, take it. Let me remove this. Okay, like so. Another pocket here, another back, also another, actually is a pocket behind here, so I use this also from the kit, and the scissors, and also the scissors to put it in, yeah, like so, to match with this sewing machine. Okay, and show you one more time my charm. 1 second. This. Okay, actually I can hang this charm. Let me see. Maybe, yeah, just because the color and the fabric already looks too busy, so that I didn't add anything to make it look, yeah, I just like my project in simple. Okay, yeah, we want, so we can hang this here. Okay. And yeah, this is my latest project, and after this project I have to start to create my October monthly kit. Yeah, please feel free to check out in my Facebook kit group so that you can see what is the kit for the October. Yeah, look at this, match with my sewing machine and my charm. Yeah, this is my project and I love it so much, and I really hope you all love it too. And yeah, and please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what do you all think, and if you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel and for your support, and all your kind comments are much appreciated. And thanks again, and bye bye.